Hi, I'm Mike from Atlas Ceramics. I'm here in our warehouse and today we're here to talk about some common questions. Today's common question is, can I tile on top of green screed? Now, green screed is a definition or a term used where your floor that you've newly laid concrete down on isn't dry. And as long as you can walk on it and it's dry to the surface when you touch it, then yes, you can. They say that it's 1 day's drying up to 40 mil and then 2 days worth of drying from 40 mil upwards. So if it's 50 mil, that's a total of 60 days, which is 2 months. Sometimes you want to get on with the job and you can. What it is, it's the moisture within the cement. And if you're tiling it, of course, you're going to leave a little gap, which is the grout gap. And as long as you leave 3 mil with a flexible grout, then that will also allow the floor to dry. Okay, so how do you go about doing it? First of all, as I said, the floor is dry to the touch. You can get on it. That's all great. You've had 3 weeks or so of drying. What you use is this tiling primer from Weber. It is actually an acrylic primer, which you would mix 3 to 1. And that would then be brushed and painted over the top. First of all, you must make sure the floor surface is clean. So hoover it or brush it, make sure there's no dust and anything like that. And then you go over with that on the top of it. Once you've done that, then you can then get on and tile it. We always recommend to actually use a more stronger adhesive, such as a single part flexi, to tile over the top of it, and it will be fine. Now, as you can imagine, some people are a little bit concerned because you don't know the quality of your cement screed that you've used. It may be that it might sink, or it might move, or it might crack. If you're worried about that, then we would recommend to use the CI Matting Plus from Durell to go over the top of that. So again, you prime it, so it's all dry, then you use adhesive to stick this down, and then you tile over the top of it. There's also another product called FGT tape, or membrane. This is only 1.5 mil, so if you're concerned with height, then you can then use that as well. So hopefully that answers your question for today, which is, can I tile on top of green screed? Yes, you can, as long as you're using the right product. If you need to know anything else, then please give us a call. But otherwise, like and subscribe in the usual way and comment down below. Till the next time, thank you very much for listening.